Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. Yesterday, I talked about the bearish pattern that had formed, and today did get the breakdown of there. So while that was never guaranteed, seeing today's price action wasn't exactly shocking either. But that does bring about the first update that needs to be done. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, you want to see them act as resistance. So key level now going forward is going to be that 31 cents. So keep an eye on that if there is any sort of attempted bounce. And you can actually see this rule has already played out here a couple of times. Right there acted as resistance, right there acted as resistance. So that's not guaranteed to happen. I'm not saying the price can ever get up above 31 cents. I mean, the price very well could go up to 31 cents and then explode to the upside. But the point here being, as of right now, it makes good sense why the level is struggling whenever it gets up around the 31 cent area. If the price can get it through there, then that's where the overall trend line here that I put into place still comes into play. So watch that. But as of right now, before you start, focusing or, worrying about doing battle with that trend line, price first needs to just prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as not only getting above 31 cents, but staying up above it. What about levels of support going forward? Well, the main level of support right now sits right there at 30 cents. Talked about that in Wednesday's video, and you can see a whole bunch of times the price tried to push down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong above that area. So we'll see if that can continue or not going forward. In the event 30 cents does not hold up, then that is where the next level of support comes into play, which is down there at 29. But so far, so good. Like I said, probably about at least 10 times today, it seems like the price tried to get, shoved down through there, but the bulls really were flexing their muscles at that area. So it's holding up as support, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. Still 1 day left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how it closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.